Hey guys, Neil here. Both places are reopen. Welcome to what is hopefully the way out of all the lockdowns and over COVID. So both stores are open, Kettering and Wellingborough. The individual opening hours are on our social media, on our website, and please give us a call. We're still doing bookings mainly, but Wellingborough can do walk-ins as well. What else? I think that's about it. So I'm glad to have both stores open and welcoming you guys. Thanks for all your patience over the last year or so, and yeah, just bear with us whilst we get back on our feet and helping you guys out. We're also now purchasing all of your old tech, including laptops, Macs, computers. We'll quote for pretty much anything, working and non-working. So hit us up with what you have and we can see if we can make you an offer. And we're also now selling, we're building our inventory to then sell, and we have refurbished devices for sale, not just iPhones and iPads, but also some other makes of smartphones and computers and laptops, so on and so forth. So check us out, hit us up. Our contact details, support@sparkangels.co.uk, and the phone numbers that you'll find on our website for each store. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.